Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make these San Tung Chicken Wings, the famous chicken wings here in San Francisco. Let's get started! First, let's marinate the wings with half teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. Let's combine this. And let's marinate this for an hour. After 1 hour, let's coat the wings with potato starch. Coat it well. Shake off excess starch. Since the wings it's already marinated, so we just use the plain potato starch. Shake off excess starch. And now let's make our sweet and spicy sauce. Let's add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Let's saute the garlic. Add the slices of ginger and the dried red chili. Lower the heat and add 1/4 cup of light soy sauce. And add half cup of corn syrup. Add 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Keep stirring and boil this for 2 minutes and set aside. Let's deep fry the wings for 14 minutes. This is perfect. The wings are cooked. Now let's heat up the sauce. Now let's add the green onions. And now let's add the wings. And coat the wings with this delicious sweet and spicy sauce. And my San Tung chicken wings is done. Yummy! And now let's give this a try. Look at this. This wings is really good. Sweet and spicy, and it's just so good. The sweetness, the spiciness, it's so perfect. San Tung is a very famous place in San Francisco that locals and tourists line up to this place just to get these famous chicken wings. So good. Goodness to the bones. The taste is really pretty similar. I'll give this recipe a 5-star, guys. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I'm so shy to show you the bones. Oh gosh, this is really good. Give this recipe a try, guys, and you'll believe it. You're not going back to San Tung after you try this. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!